What's up, my little pineapples? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to create this Cleopatra goddess look. So we're gonna start by getting some tape, some scotch tape, and adding it to the end of our eyes. By doing so, we're going to create a super sharp cat eye, just because I feel like goddess did that and they did a lot of wing line and all that stuff. Alright, next I'm gonna go in with my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. I'm going to start working on the blue line from the lightest to the darkest, creating a smoky eye, cat eye. However, blending is the key to this look, so you have to blend every single color very well. Next, I'm going to use this orangey pigment, and I will be using this as my brow bone color. Just make sure you blend that very nice. Bring it a little low, not too low, making sure that you cover your brow bone. Next, I will be applying the second shimmery turquoise pigment, and I'm going to use this on my crease, going in wiper motions, left to right, right to left. Make sure you blend that very well. Next, I'm going with the second to the darkest turquoise, which is the brightest blue, and I'm just going to emphasize this color at the corner of my eye, bringing just a little over into the mid section of my eyelid, but mainly focusing on the end. Next, I'm just going to use a angle clean brush just to make sure I blend in the corners and make sure that everything is nice and smooth. As I mentioned before, using your fingers can really increase the color of your eyeshadows, and I'll be using this only towards the corner of my eyes, just making sure I create that cat look and just emphasize it very well so it's bright and it stands out the most. Next, I will be applying an eye crayon, and this one is by Beauty Berries. You can get this at the CVS, Walgreens, any pharmacy store will have it, I'm pretty sure. Even e.l.f., I believe they have some. You need to use something that is going to be sticky enough so when you apply the gold shimmer, it will stay and you will not have any fallout. After, I'm going to use a really flat, precise brush, just because I want to make sure that I have clean edges. Next, I'm going to use this Candy Coin super shimmery. It's almost like glitter, and it's by Eye Candy Cosmetics. You guys, this is a beautiful shimmer. I also use this for my birthday, so if you guys want to do like a super smoky eye with a super shimmery, this is the product to go to. The only problem is that it does have some fallout, so that's why I recommend you use a crayon beforehand. For this particular look, I want my eyebrows to be as dark and bold as possible, so today I'll be using the 3 Estique crayon in the color Espresso. Next, I'm going to use my eyeliner. Lately, I've been obsessed with the L'Oreal Telescopic Liquid Eyeliner. This eyeliner is very easy to manage, and like I said before, using tape before you do eyeliner makes it so much easier, because once you remove that tape, it's a sharp, clean line. And snap. Next, I will be using my Hangover by Too Faced primer. You want to make sure that you use a good primer so your makeup will last longer. Foundation, concealer, bronzer. So you need to make sure that you make that skin as glowy as possible. I feel like goddess are usually tan and they have that glowing skin. So I did contour my face behind scenes, but I just wanted to speed up the process and show you guys. You need to be bronzed if you want to look like a goddess. Back to turquoise, make sure that you also do the bottom lash line and you smoke it out. You might have to use more than one shade of blue so you can achieve that turquoise, very pigmented blue, just like we did on our wing. The last step is totally optional. I just went ahead and dragged my line just so it can match my eyeliner, just to make it a little more Halloweenish, more Cleopatra. You don't have to do this, you can skip it, but I thought it would give it a nice touch. Next, I'm gonna use my black eyeliner and just simply line my lower lash. Make sure those lashes are nice and voluminous, and L'Oreal has a really good mascara, Lash Paradise. So for this look, my main focus are my eyes, so I want to make sure that I have a nude lip. I'm using the Loyalist 05 by Maybelline. This will stay all night long. And then finally, I'm going to use my gloss by the Camila Cabello Habana collection, just to give it a little touch, just so I don't look like I have no lips, because the nude is very nude, but this will give it a nice gloss. Wait, this is the Cleopatra final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.